What's good, YouTube? It's the Finesse Guy back at y'all with another video. I know this shit look crazy, like y'all, like it's lighting up part of my face, and then look like I'm in the shadows and I am vengeance and shit. But nah, man, this your boy the Finesse Guy, 80 Diggy J Diggy 92 coming back at y'all with it. Y'all can clearly see another fucking unboxing. But yeah, let me clear some of this shit up, and then we can get into it. This shit is disrespectful as hell. For this is disrespectful. Alright, that's a lot better. It's a lot more lighting and it's vibrant and all that great shit, right? But nah, man, so hit that thumbs up, that like button for me, subscribe if you haven't already. Join the God Squad. Please do. Today has been a crazy ass day. I'm not gonna harp on it, but thumbs up and like. Alright, so the first package we're gonna get into is this package right here that I got from them folk over at Shein. Hopefully I'm saying it right. I got a video coming out on Shein soon, so y'all be on the lookout for that. I have to record that one and a shit ton of other videos today. So if you see this shirt, this Sandlot shirt more than one time, it got recorded in the same day, it just didn't drop. So don't judge me. This is all the stuff I got from Shein. Or Shein. I don't know how to say it. Shein. Yeah. So, Shein. Or whatever. So, we're going to make this rather fast and quick. I bought this. I didn't think I bought this one. Oh, yeah, I did. So, first up, we got this Los Angeles tie-dye colorful tee. Thought it was pretty dope. Got it in size extra large. So, with sizing, as far as Shein goes, it just depends. If it's Shein brand, I go true to size. If it's not, I tend to size up, or I'll just read the reviews, because with Shein, you never know. So, but I'll get more into that in the Shein review or whatever. Alright, so this next one is this fire ass tee. I thought this graphic was dope, so I went ahead and copped it. This is from Shein as well, but it's from Romwe. I've never dealt with Romwe at all, so thought this was pretty cool, pretty dope. It looked like on some like Godzilla shit, so I thought it was cool. Thought it was a nice little graphic or whatever, so I went ahead and picked that one up. Like I said, got that in size extra large as well. I don't think y'all need to see this. These right here, I don't know if I'm being aware. I know it's Hoochie Daddy season and shit, but I don't think I can pull this off. I don't know. They might be a little short, but y'all just be on the lookout for that Shein video. I'm gonna talk about shorts and all that shit. So cop those. Don't need to see these. Don't need to see these. Next up, I just bought a pack of socks. I just bought a pack of socks just because this summer I'm Sandal Boys Nation, and I needed some variety in socks. So it's like a, what is it, 8-pack. So you got your navy blue, brown, gray, black. I know y'all couldn't see that, but it is what it is. Then you got like this rust colorway, this oatmeal colorway, olive, and then like off-white type colorway. So 8 socks in one, couldn't beat it. So like I said, I just needed some variation with my socks instead of always wearing black socks. These are for Savage Beauty, but we'll get into my actual pair because I bought them for her as well because she liked the pair that I have. So I went ahead and copped for her. So those are hers, so I won't open it. This next tee is another pickup from Romwe with Shein, but it was under Romwe and just says don't talk to strangers. Safety education. I thought this was dope. This is a cool little graphic. I like the little puff print aspect to it, to where it was like it wasn't like screen printed or whatever. It's actually like on the t-shirt, so it's not a part of the shirt. It's like separate entity. So I actually like that. It feels damn near like a sticker, but I like that one, so I got it in black. And then lastly, this other part from Romwe, we got this motherfucking Lonely Hearts Club tee. When I seen this, I thought of Pharrell. I don't know why. It just gave me Pharrell ice cream vibe. So that's why I went ahead and picked that up. Tone Jones, as Big Boy Johnny would say, Tone Jones is definitely in the building. So that's all the t-shirt cops. Let's go ahead and move into these boxes. Alright, so this first box is actually a birthday present from Savage Beauty. I didn't get to show the t-shirt that she bought me, but maybe I'll wear it in the official review for this. So I'll just do that way. That way y'all can see everything. But your boy hit the dirty 30, so no longer in the 20s club. Ah, damn. But nah, so these are just the New Balance 5740s. And this is the colorway she copped for me. If y'all don't know me, I'm like the biggest fan of olive gray in the world. So she went ahead and, well, I said olive gray, olive green. So she went ahead and copped these for me. Basically all over like brownish olive green colorway with this hella crazy suede in the back. Very fuzzy, very furry. So I thought these was pretty dope. I seen these. I never seen this colorway before. So when I sent them to her, she went ahead and copped for my birthday. So shouts out to Savage Beauty for that one. So we'll put these like right here. Alright, next up is a pickup I have been wanting for a long ass time. An extremely long ass time. And then I'll just explain it once I get it open. Alright, so boom. We got to pick up. And it's actually an off-white box, which personally I don't get the hype around it. Like off-white boxes. Like all it is fucking holes in them bitches. So, and it's an orange box. Y'all niggas be going crazy for boxes. Like, I don't know. But yeah, man. Like I said, I've been waiting on these for a while. And we got to do it. Oh my God, what happened to Virgil? So after Virgil passed, I was like, man, I ain't gonna never get these bitches. These shits finna hike up in price like a motherfucker. Cause that shit happened when Kobe died. Like I was about to get the undefeated Kobe's. Kobe passed away. Them shits went from like 300 to like a band, like within hours. So I was like, I'm never gonna get a pair. See these? They weren't going for too crazy. Unfortunately, they are used, but I figured I can just clean them because they didn't look that bad. So the pair we're talking about today is the Off-White Vapor. Let me say this shit. Off-White Vapor Street. These are actually women's. These are a women's shoe or whatnot. But the thing is, they made like male sizes, like extended sizes. So if you are a male, you can cop. I will be doing a full on feet for these. I know y'all looking crazy like, nigga, them hoes got spikes on them. Nigga, you don't run track, boy. The fuck? So I will be doing a full review on these, so don't worry. I'll be doing a full on feet and then review and answering sizing questions and everything like that. But these are used, and it's just, I thought they was pretty clean to be a used pair, so that's why I went ahead and copped. So Off-White Vapor Streets, second pickup. And with that being said, let's get into the very last pickup. And these are from Adidas. And I don't know how the fuck I'm going to use this big ass box, but I just want y'all to keep it real. Adidas dead ass wrong for sending me this fat ass box. This don't make no fucking sense. You would have thought a fucking monitor was in this bitch. Let me jump in this bitch. Nigga, you can legit jump in this bitch. Like, disrespectful pose. But shouts out to Adidas, I guess. Something better than nothing. So this pickup right here, I'm actually pretty shocked. I did not believe in Adidas app, and I'm not gonna say I believe in it anymore. Because I caught these off the Adidas app. I still don't. Like, I'm still wary of it, but I managed to cop on Adidas confirmed app. So here is a God. But nah, so just all over plain box or whatnot. But y'all know what that means. Usually on the inside, we got some writing. We finally got an official pair of the Yeezy Foam Runners. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. I can instantly tell a big ass difference. Fuck. Alright, so this is the I think the sand colorway or whatever. I wish I got like the darker colorways, but our beggars could not be choosers. So this is the sand colorway. And y'all know I've got what you call them? Replicas of these. So I will be doing like a replica, like versus like comparison type thing. But I had to show y'all that I finally got an official like retail pair for these. Like I was shocked when I hit, and I still can't believe that this shit happened. Like I'm stuttering and shit. Y'all can clearly tell I can't believe this shit happened. So I finally got a retail pair of these, and right off rip I can instantly tell the difference. So this comparison finna go crazy. But nah, man. So these are all my pickups. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up and that like button. Sorry if like I ain't gonna say my energy went through the roof, but like I said, today has been a very hectic day for your boy. I probably won't talk about it because I know y'all probably don't even care that much. But yeah, man, it's been a day. So this has been your boy, the finesse guy, Iggy Diggy J Diggy 92. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up and that like button. Subscribe for me if you haven't already, man. Join the gang, join the God Squad. And yeah, man, I'm your boy, the finesse guy. I love y'all. Thank you for watching. And like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all. Y'all be easy. Peace.